Welcome to my trading vlog. We are on entry number 16 and get started here. Alright, the current market. I normally like the bullish trades, and if you're watching this and you're not familiar with bullish, bearish, bullish is up markets, bearish is down markets. And it's one of my favorite quotes, I guess, or one of my favorite market sayings is the bull goes up the stairs and the bear jumps out the window, which, I don't know, it just seems hilarious. Maybe it's a dark sense of humor. All right, I've got 3 exponential moving averages charted on here. And as you can see, the 10-day, 20-day, 50-day, it's down and it's not back up yet. So I've said previously, I don't have a great track record for shorting the market. Sometimes I just miss timing. It'll bounce back up. Like if you see on day 10, it had bounced back up. That would have been like, normally that's like the time of day I get in. Or if I was on day 13, I'd be like, hey, well, it's going to go down. Maybe I should short it. And then it goes up. I haven't quite got the timing down. So maybe I can work on that a little bit. Basically, I'm going to look at this and maybe some other stocks I might be able to jump onto. To learn my favorite method, check it out on Udemy. And for every specific trade, check it out on Patreon. For now, don't look for a fair fight.